Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best crimping loop sleeves is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with wire rope. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, creating secure loops is crucial for various applications. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of crimping loop sleeves, exploring their uses, benefits, and how to choose the right ones for your specific needs. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about these handy little connectors. Number 5. Sanuke Stainless Steel Wire Rope Cable Thimbles and Sleeves. This kit includes stainless steel thimbles and aluminum crimping loop sleeves. It's designed for use with wire ropes and cable lines. You'll have plenty to meet your needs. The thimbles are made of 304 stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion and rust resistance. The sleeves are made of aluminum, ensuring they are waterproof and rust-proof, so you can use them for a long time. These are designed to prevent abrasion and deformation of wire ropes. They protect the eye of the wire rope or sling, allowing you to create a tight loop in your cables. This kit is suitable for various applications needing strong cables. It's perfect for dog leashes, clotheslines, marine use, and industrial rigging. It's a great companion for fixing and transporting cables. Simply lock the ends of the wire rope sleeves using pliers, a vise, or crimping tools. The plastic storage box has clear tags, making it easy to identify each size and keeping everything organized. What we like. This kit includes a variety of sizes, ensuring you have the right fit for your project. The stainless steel thimbles and aluminum sleeves are built to last, providing excellent corrosion resistance. If you're working on a range of projects, from marine rigging to clotheslines, this comprehensive kit is a great choice. What people say. These crimp sleeves work perfectly. The crimps are strong and hold the wire rope securely. They are easy to use with the correct crimping tool. Number 4. Glarks Stainless Steel Thimbles and Crimping Loop Kit. This kit includes high-quality wire rope cable thimbles and aluminum crimping loop sleeves. They are designed for various rigging applications, offering durability and reliability. The thimbles are made of 304 stainless steel, providing excellent corrosion resistance. The crimping loop sleeves are made of sturdy aluminum, ensuring long-lasting performance. The package includes a variety of thimble and crimping sleeve sizes. It comes in a convenient plastic box for easy storage and access to all the components. These thimbles are designed to protect wire ropes from damage at the terminal end. They prevent crushing and overstressing, extending the lifespan of your cables. This kit is ideal for a wide range of uses, including dog leashes, clotheslines, and marine rigging. It is perfect for any application requiring strong and secure cable connections. What we like. The thimbles are made of 304 stainless steel, and the sleeves are made of aluminum, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. With a wide range of sizes, it's perfect for various applications. If you need a reliable and organized solution for your wire rope projects, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. These crimp sleeves are well made and work perfectly. They are easy to use and crimp well. The crimps are strong and hold the wire rope securely. Number 3. Crimping Tool Kit with Stainless Steel Cable. This set includes a heavy-duty crimping plier, 165 feet of stainless steel wire rope, and 100 crimp sleeves. It has everything you need to get started. This kit is perfect for various projects. The crimping tool features 4 crimping positions, suitable for different sleeve sizes. It's made of heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring maximum corrosion resistance. This tool is built to last. It has cushioned, non-slip grips for comfortable use. The safety lock keeps the crimper closed when not in use. This design makes it easy and safe to operate. This tool is ideal for wire rope, cable lines, and dog leashes. You can also use it for hanging lights, photos, and decorations. It's perfect for DIY projects and various occasions. We are confident that you will love this product. We offer a risk-free, money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can return it. What we like. This kit comes with a heavy-duty crimping tool and stainless steel cable, making it a complete solution. The cushion grips and safety lock make it comfortable and easy to use. If you are looking for a ready-to-go kit with everything you need for wire rope crimping, this is the one. What people say. The cable is good and strong, while the crimps are sturdy. The pliers cut the cable easily and crimps the connectors with little effort. Crimping tool is top-notch. Cut the wire without unraveling the wire. Number 2. Sanuke 325 PCS Wire Rope Sleeves Kit. This is the Sanuke Wire Rope Sleeves Kit. It includes 325 pieces of double cable ferrules in various sizes, perfect for a wide range of applications. The kit offers 8 different sizes, from 3/64 foot to 1/4, ensuring you have the right fit for your project. They are designed to meet diverse needs. Made from premium aluminum, these sleeves are built to last. They are sturdy, corrosion-resistant, and waterproof, ensuring long-term durability. The sleeves are neatly organized in a clear kit, making it easy to find the size you need. The labels on the kit help you quickly identify the specifications. Using the sleeves is simple. Just lock the ends of the wire rope with pliers, a vise, or crimping tools. It's a straightforward process. These sleeves are ideal for various uses, such as dog leashes, clotheslines, marine rigging, and guardrail nets. They are suitable for anything that requires a strong cable. What we like. These sleeves are made of high-quality aluminum, ensuring they are sturdy, anti-corrosion, and waterproof. The clear kit with labels makes it easy to find the right size. If you need a variety of sizes and easy organization, this kit will be perfect for your needs. What people say. These crimp sleeves are well made and work perfectly. The crimps are strong and hold the wire rope securely. They are easy to use with the correct crimping tool. Number 1. Eowpower 3/16-inch Wire Rope Crimping Loop Sleeves. These Eowpower loop sleeves make securing loops a breeze. They are designed to anchor cables effectively, providing a reliable solution for your needs. Made specifically for 3/16-inch wire ropes, these sleeves ensure a perfect fit. The design allows for easy insertion and secure crimping, guaranteeing a strong connection. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this product offers excellent durability. It is built to withstand various conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can easily compress these sleeves using a vise, pliers, or a compression tool. This simple process creates a secure and lasting loop for your wire rope. Each package comes with 50 pieces, providing you with plenty of connectors. This ensures you have enough for multiple projects or replacements. Remember to check the product size according to the second picture. The diameter of the sleeves is slightly larger than that of wire ropes. What we like. Made of aluminum, these sleeves are designed for 3/16-inch wire rope, making it easy to secure loops. You can compress them with a vise, pliers, or compression tool. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution for a specific wire rope size, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These crimps work great. They are exactly what I needed. Good quality crimps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.